This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, heated seats, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: roof rails, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, leather seats, a rear spoiler, a security system, front fog lights, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, and aluminum wheels. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Janelle Motors is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 2000 Washington Street in Hanover.